All right, so up to this point, we've been using scientific notation to write extremely large positive numbers, but there's also a way to use scientific notation to write extremely small positive numbers, meaning very small positive fractions or very small positive decimals. So in order to do that, we're going to use a lot of the same techniques that we use to write our large exponential notation, and we're going to apply it to very small decimals or very small fractions. Okay, so again, if we had 23 million, a very large number, we would write 2.3 times 10 to the however many times we need to move the decimal place to the right, in this case 7 times. We're going to use that same concept to do scientific notation for small numbers. All right, so look at all of the zeros to the left now. Because we're a very small number, there's going to be a lot of zeros to the left instead of a lot of zeros to the right for large numbers. So just like we had written down 23, let's write our non-zero digits, but in the small number. So we'll end up with a 45 here. All right. Now, again, just like with our scientific notation for large numbers, we also need to have a decimal point where there's only one digit to the left of the decimal point. All right, so we're going to turn this into 4.5. Now, it's 4.5 times 10 to the question mark. So we need to figure out what is going to be here so we can represent this extremely small number. Here, we were multiplying powers of 10. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So in order for us to move the decimal point to the left, not multiply, but we're going to be dividing by powers of 10. All right, so let's start here for 0.5, because we have a 0.5 here, and let's move to the left as many places as we need to get back to where the decimal point is in our standard number. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, since we're dividing, and negative exponents are division, we're going to not put it to a positive 4, but instead to a negative 4. Therefore, 4.5 times 10 to the negative 4th is the correct scientific notation to represent the standard form of this number right here.